If you have a burning question, can I make thousands of dollars from YouTube with less than 1,000 subscriber? The short answer to the question is yes. Watch the video till end to know different ways to make money on YouTube without getting monetized. 1. Use affiliate links on YouTube. Affiliate marketing might be the most practical way to monetize your YouTube traffic. It works like this: you find a company or seller with an affiliate program, such as Amazon Associates, and apply to join. Once accepted, you'll use their process to create custom links to products you plan to feature in your videos. You can make demo video, review or make reference to the products in your YouTube videos, and paste your custom affiliate marketing links in the description field when you upload. As an affiliate of a brand, you'll earn a commission when a viewer clicks your custom link and purchases the product. Search on affiliate marketing sites such as ShareASale and ClickBank for possible corporate partners and products to feature or get affiliation through Amazon to begin with. You can also search your favorite brand's websites for information on how to become an affiliate straight from the source. After adding an affiliate link, don't forget to properly notify your viewers about your affiliation with the brand or brands featured. And be sure to ask them to check the link in description. 2. Drive traffic to your website or blog. YouTube is a fantastic source for driving free traffic to your website or blog where you could promote your service, product, or course. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, and with properly created videos and descriptions you send people to your website for leads and sales. 3. Create sponsored content through brand deals. Landing a brand deal, also a form of affiliate marketing, is another way to get paid on YouTube. Companies interested in your channel's audience might sponsor your videos or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a shout-out. As your channel grows, you can contact the brands you'd like to work with directly, or use resources like the aforementioned affiliate marketing sites to find corporate partners that complement your style of content. With brand deals, you can receive lump sum payments, earn commission on a per-sale basis, or get the product or service for free. Keep in mind, if you do have an endorsement or use product placement in a video, you must notify YouTube by ticking a box in the Advanced Settings tab of your Video Manager to indicate your video contains paid promotion. 4. Create and sell your own product or merchandise. If you have merchandise or offer a service that's relevant to your audience, let them know about it and provide links in your videos. For example, creator Marques Brownlee, of popular tech review channel MKBHD, leaves a link to his own line of t-shirts and accessories in every video he posts. Selling a physical product might require you to buy materials or find a manufacturer, but you can also sell downloadables such as ebooks, art prints, or virtual classes. Have a secure payment system in place before you advertise your goods. Incentive to sell. While creating your own products can be a lot harder than pitching those of other companies, you could stand to make more money this way, since you'll keep the bulk of your proceeds as the product owner. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel for more videos. In the next video, I will show you 2 of the most important things that helps increase the views.